Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Dropbox files using the mobile app detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Dropbox mobile app on your device. Sign in to your account if prompted. Locate the file or folder you want to transfer. Tap on the three dots next to the file or folder. From the menu that appears, select Share. Choose how you want to transfer the file. You can either share a link or send it directly. If you select Create a link, tap Copy link. You can now paste this link in a chat or email. If you prefer to send directly, tap Send. Enter the recipient's email address or choose from your contacts. Add a message if you want to include additional information. Tap Send to share the file. To transfer multiple files or folders, tap on the Select option. Choose the items you want to transfer. Repeat the sharing process for multiple files as needed. Ensure the recipient has sufficient access to view or edit the files. Check your shared files and settings in the Dropbox app. You can manage permissions for shared files as necessary. Once the files are transferred, you will receive a confirmation notification. Now you have successfully transferred Dropbox files using the mobile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.